Um, MM444, Veronica, please introduce about yourself.
Good morning, Madam and Sir. My name is Veronica Alonso. I am 39 years old. I am married. I have one children. I live in Marikina City, Philippines. I have work experience local here in Philippines. I'm taking care of two children, 8 years old and 9 years old. My duties and responsibilities taking care of the children, cleaning the home, ironing the uniform, and preparing the breakfast every day. And I have a work experience in Hong Kong for almost 5 months, year 2025. My duties and responsibilities is taking care of the baby for 9 months and every day going to the school, preparing breakfast, lunch and dinner, and sometimes I washing the clothes and ironing depending on my employer's need. And every day, every night, I cleaning the home and throwing the trash can. To my I want to work abroad because I want to support my child because my husband is 69 years old. And to my future employers, if you hire me, I promise I finish my contract and I'm trustworthy person loving for your kids. Hoping we'll see you soon. God bless. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, about your job in Hong Kong, why you only work here for 5 months?
I work for 5 months, madam.
Yeah, why? Why you only work for 5 months?
Because my father is have a personal problem, a sickness, not good in health because the doctor declared we have a heart failure. That's why I need to resign. I want to conduct to to recognize to my employer. That's why I need to go home. That's why
Mm.
my employer cannot agree. That's why I need to resign.
Mm. Okay, then now your father deceased already in
Yeah,
okay.
on October
Okay.
18, 2025.
Okay. And because you said because your husband has no work now, and so that's why you need to come to Hong Kong and earn
Yeah, of
money
course.
to support their needs, right? Your son and
Yeah,
your husband need. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. What kind of so you said you can bake and cook, right? You can bake and cook.
Yeah, I know how can bake to bake the cake and bread also.
Mm. What kind of food you can cook?
I know how to cook a Chinese food like steamed fish, steamed eggs, stir fry. Sometimes the lotus they cut it small and make a bread like a topping bread.
Mm. Okay.
And also I know how to cook a Filipino dishes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So okay. Let me see what else. Oh, do you have experience taking care of elderly?
No, madam, because I only taking care of the children. But I
Mm.
know how to take care of the elderly. I'm willing to learn, madam, because
Mm-hmm.
my husband is also elderly, 69 years old.
I see. Okay. All right. Uh, can you describe about yourself? What kind of person you are? You think you are? What kind of a person you think you are? Describe about
One,
yourself. Yeah.
1 to 10, I think I'm
No, no, no,
8.
no. I mean, to describe yourself.
Uh,
What
I'm
kind
a
of person?
trusted,
Yeah. What kind of person you think you are?
I'm a trusted person. I'm loyal, also loving kids.
Mm-hmm. You like to take care baby and kids?
Yeah. Yes, madam, because I know how to take care because I have a own child.
Mm.
I have experience in Hong Kong 9 months. I taking care of the baby.
Mm-hmm. So, how if you take care young kids, what can you teach them?
I teach how to sing, wash your hand, brush your teeth. My taking care of the baby in Hong Kong. I teach how to brush your teeth and
Hmm.
how to hold the spoon every day to eating,
Mm,
and sometimes learning ABCD.
I see. Okay. Okay. Um, so, about your cooking skill, if you need to rate yourself from the scale of 1 to 10, what rating you give yourself? on your
Of
cooking
course,
skill?
8, madam. 8.
8 only? Not 10?
Because I really don't know what is the taste of my employer's need. If
Ah,
sweet or salty or different. It
ah,
depends my employer's need.
okay. How about your
I
clean?
don't want to
Okay,
perfect, madam.
okay. How about your cleaning?
The cleaning, madam, also I'm perfect. I know how to vacuum. I know how to laundry and ironing.
Ah, so you
I'm
also
perfect,
give
madam.
also give 8, number 8?
9.
9.
9.
Okay, all right. Okay. So, if you come to Hong Kong, who will take care of your son?
Of course, my husband, madam.
Mm-mm. Okay. All right. So, how long you plan to work in Hong Kong this time?
I finished my contract, madam. I
Mm.
promise I finished my contract. I need, madam.
So, but just in case, if your mother gets sick or your husband gets sick, will you quit the job again and go home
No,
and take care?
madam. No, madam. No, madam. No, madam.
Why? Why?
I
How?
say no money.
Huh?
I have a work. I say no money.
But then why when your father was sick, then you need to go home?
Because I'm the eldest daughter and
Uh,
my mother really don't know how to handle. This is the first time to what happened to my family. But
mm,
now I know to handle na. That's why I need to go outside again.
okay, all right. Okay, can you sing a nursery rhyme?
Yes,
Just a short
madam. I know
one.
how to sing.
I think.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Now I wonder what you are. And also, Baba, black sheep, having in the moon, having in the moon.
Okay.
Rain, rain, go away. Another
Okay.
day, come again.
Enough, enough, enough. Okay. All right. Okay. Please pass a message to the future employer again.
To my future employers, if you hire me, I am trusted woman, loyal, and hardworking. And I promise I finish my contract.
Okay. OK，MM444，我俾嘅 rating 佢係 A 加嘅。咁啊，Veronica 咧39歲，咁佢有一個仔14歲。咁佢咧就曾經咧就喺香港咧就做咗5個月，咁啊照顧一個9個月大嘅 BB。咁就咁佢就主要都係照顧佢啦，同埋清潔啊、煮飯啊，同埋帶個小朋友去嗰啲playgroup 啊嗰啲咁樣啦。咁因為佢當時咧佢個爸爸咧就病。咁佢係大女，咁所以咧佢就要翻去照顧佢，咁即係僱主唔俾佢 take 一個 short 嘅leave，咁所以咧就佢逼住就要自己辭職翻咗去。咁而家佢爸爸都過咗身啦，咁佢咧就咁佢先生都係69歲，都大啦，就冇做嘢，咁所以佢就而家要出嚟打工，就賺啲錢就即係養活，即係要養佢個仔啊，同埋佢個先生啦。咁佢個人咧就好笑容嘅，覺得佢咁佢都好適合照顧 BB 啊、小朋友啊。咁佢長者佢都可以嘅，因為佢話嗰陣時，佢而家嘅丈夫都成69歲，都係屬於長者啦。咁佢有陣時又照顧爹哋啦嚇。咁佢個人都成熟穩重啊，開朗啊，笑容啊，咁英文亦都講得好好嘅。因為佢始終，因為佢係嚟香港都係只係5個月，咁所以咧我就只係俾個 rating 佢係 A 加嘅。